On September 6, 2025, Chicago police officers responded to an incident near 805 North Waller Avenue. According to the initial dispatch, a caller reported a burglary in progress, with the suspects believed to be inside a vehicle.
On view, vehicle house. It's going to be by Central and Thomas. So like 4 males, 3 officers in black, 1 white hoodie, blue jeans, trying to break into black SUV started. 3 of them got into, it looks like a black Nissan, maybe Infiniti, parked in the middle of the road. I'll be right at the mouth of the alley. Looks like they're trying to bail, but vehicle stopped at Central and Thomas. It's generally westbound on Thomas. Partial plate.
They got a partial plate, yeah, a Nissan. Unit 1015 in City Wagon, on view auto theft, Central and Thomas and Central. Got 3 male black trying to take a black SUV. They're partially in a Nissan with the partial plate of District 15, Stone Floor.
Picking up your sign. Just be advised, driver has looks like a rifle. Whatever car's on Thomas, they're behind you. Go west. That car, whatever unit's facing westbound, right in front of you.
Okay, unit, just be careful. They have a rifle.
When officers arrived, they located a car matching the description and initiated a tactical stop.
Right here.
I see him, bro. We good. We gonna go there. Hey, Chris, squad! Show me your fucking ass! Show me your fucking ass! Show me your fucking ass! Show me your ass! Show me your fucking ass! Show me your ass! Shots fired, squad!
Thomas, where you guys located?
Please don't fucking move! Now, bitch!
Direct me away, right side going northbound.
They hit me with the car.
Call your OEMS. Give me EMS over. Where are you located for EMS?
Yeah.
Right.
Don't move, man.
Okay, then come in clear. Where are you located for the EMS?
Fuck.
Chicago Wallace for the EMS.
Are we still looking for someone?
You got what?
Yes.
Alright.
Chicago, hold your rifle.
He's holding the rifle. They take the rifle. Hold on. Where?
I'm going to run eastbound of Chicago. We're in the CMAS with the rifle.
It's at this point that officers realize one of the suspects escaped on foot during the struggle and is running down Chicago Avenue with a rifle.
Good? You good? I'm good. Alright. P, I love you, bro. I love you. Just chill. Just chill, P. I love you, bro. You got it. Can you please get him some EMS, please? Can you please get him some EMS? Please. That's all I want. Get him some EMS, bro. Y'all not coming for no fucking EMS, gang.
We called the EMS. Settle down. They're coming.
Why
they trying to shoot though? We didn't have no.
You hit us with the car.
We didn't have no fucking gun. Y'all came into us,
Enough.
dude.
I'm sorry. But someone was hit by a car and that's why they needed EMS.
That's what we're related.
Oh, he shot. He shot, bro.
Hollis was hit by a car.
So we
We're all at Chicago.
Please, bro, help him.
Are you hit? Let's check. Turn over. Turn over.
My left leg hurts. I think it's just because of crash. It hurts in the middle. You can check the middle.
Stop. I'm checking you for wounds. Let me see.
Central now on Chicago and Ball
Turn over.
Chicago. Shot fired by the police and officer hit by
P, I love you, P. I love you, brother.
Chicago and Waller.
You're good. Take this off.
P, I love you, P. I'm sorry, gang. I'm sorry, P. I'm sorry, P. I'm sorry, P. I love you, bro. I love you, P. I'm sorry, P. I love you, P.
Austin 33.
Get up. Get you up. Ready?
Yeah, hold on. Let me get on myself. I got you.
Morning and Officer Stroger.
Hold on. I can't even walk. I can't even walk on my leg. Come on. I love you, P. Please even make sure he's okay. Ain't no EMS on the way.
We called for an ambulance.
Coming in hot.
Oh my God. I'm compliant. I'm not gonna give you no shit. I just want to make sure my brother's okay.
So this morning,
P, I love you, P. Just hang in there.
The car for now.
car for now.
Yes. What's your
You
step?
can run my window down.
33.
Give us a minute.
You can fix the cuts at least.
Give us a minute. Give us a minute. We gotta make sure he's good.
If there's any vehicle that can fill southbound Central for me. We'll notify Stroger coming in hot.
You guys, that's just filled. All right. You're gonna have to go to the hospital too. Let's adjust those cuffs. Tell your brother to the left.
They're taking a crash scene. He came over there 1595 for a crime scene.
Stop. You gotta stay there, all right?
Austin 3, is chest on the good apply?
Oh my God.
Chest 205.
Come on.
Chest 205. 353 on the time.
P, please,
You have another
P.
unit coming in?
Please, P.
All right, come on.
Austin 3. About to jump on the... Yeah, Austin 3, on the 90.
You can let me.
That's it, bro. You're adjusted. We gotta wait for EMS, all right? He's a top priority right now. I didn't see no bullet wounds on you. Okay, you were struck. You need to take a minute, bro. Catch your breath. Just catch your breath. Sit in the car and just catch your breath, all right? You good. No, you gotta have a seatbelt on, bro.
I'm hurt, sir.
I understand. Just relax.
We have a male black wrist with the long right service rifle. Do you have any information on the offender?
On another car?
Any units on scene?
All right, man, step out. They don't want you in this car.
Austin 3-3. Austin 3-3. Can you have Stroger be outside with a wheelchair?
Hey, who's got a car? I ran through him. Somebody ran through him again.
1520.
Oh my God, man. Wow.
Austin 11, do we have an ETA on EMS?
Run through him. Go ahead. Run through him. I'll be right here.
They are en route. 1520, do we need more units from other districts to come assist? 1520, I'm going to right now. Slow it down. 15. A large. That's what we're called out. 1520, we still have one offender at large.
He's got a ski mask in here. All right, good. Just keep those are the most.
Austin 2-3, weapon recovered.
You guys got him?
Austin 2-3, weapon recovered, 355 on the time. 1520.
Who put the cuffs on him?
We'll figure that out right now. I don't know, bro. It all happened so fast.
Austin. 10-4, 1599.
South in the alley. Have a seat.
1531.
All right, you good?
Yeah.
Squad.
After being pinned between his squad car and the suspect's vehicle as it reversed, Officer Hollis discharged his firearm 11 times through the windshield. One of the occupants, identified as 22-year-old Aiden English, was struck by the gunfire and was transported to Stroger Hospital, where he was later pronounced deceased. A second offender, who was reportedly armed with a rifle during the incident, fled the scene on foot. As of the latest information available, he has not been located and remains at large. A third individual was taken into custody at the scene shortly after the shooting. 2 officers were transported to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries, including Officer Hollis, who was evaluated after being pinned between the vehicles. This concludes our breakdown of the shooting near 805 North Waller Avenue. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check us out on TikTok and X. Click one of the links on screen to jump into the next case. See you there.